Hello, my name is Achim Kettler from Dental Wings and I want to show you some tips and tricks about coDiagnostiX. Enjoy! Don't like the color of your implants in the 2D pictures? No problem, we can change it. Go on Extras, on Settings, go on your implant and then you see the color. Go on the small arrow on the right side, open it and you see the default. You can change it, maybe to cyan like I did. Or even you can open it and go on Choose and design your own color. Can store it and then you have it unique in your software. Don't take Jello because it's the same color of the axis. So easy, you can change your color.